ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯨꯡꯌꯔ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝ.ꯑꯦꯜ.ꯑꯦ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯀꯩꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ Am-Istv ꯄꯥꯎ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏ, ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯨꯡꯌꯔ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝ.ꯑꯦꯜ.ꯑꯦ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯀꯩꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯒꯨꯗ ꯁꯦꯚꯔꯗ ꯄꯦꯔꯤꯁ ꯀꯁꯣꯝꯈꯨꯂꯦꯟ, ꯃꯦꯔꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯞ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇꯤꯌꯟꯁ ꯄꯦꯔꯤꯁ ꯀꯩꯍꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯦꯟꯊꯣꯅꯤꯁ ꯄꯦꯔꯤꯁ ꯃꯨꯏꯔꯩꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯍꯣꯂꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁ ꯀꯦꯊꯣꯂꯤꯛ ꯆꯔꯆ ꯇꯤ ꯍꯨꯟꯗꯨꯡ ꯈꯨꯂꯦꯟꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ 13 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯁꯥꯎꯗꯔꯟ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯀꯦꯊꯣꯂꯤꯛ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯖꯅꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤ 19 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯆꯠꯊꯒꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯐꯨꯡꯌꯔ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝ.ꯑꯦꯜ.ꯑꯦ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯀꯩꯁꯤꯡ, ꯁꯥꯎꯗꯔꯟ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯀꯦꯊꯣꯂꯤꯛ ꯆꯔꯆꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯈꯤ꯫ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯀꯩꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯐꯝ ꯃꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯜ-ꯊꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯈꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ, ꯃꯄꯥꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯨꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯕꯅ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯊꯤꯅꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯍꯨꯗ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯐꯪꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ꯫ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯟ ꯃꯨꯠꯊꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ, ꯁ꯭ꯄꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯃꯤꯜ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄ, ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯃꯨꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯊꯨꯡ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯦ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯔꯛꯇꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯂꯦ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ-ꯆꯩ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯔꯨꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ꯫ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕꯜ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕꯗ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯀꯌా ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ-ꯑꯞ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯛꯂꯦ꯫ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ-ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯔꯨꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯏ꯫ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯏꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯊꯤꯠꯅ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯄꯥꯜꯗ ꯃꯣꯂꯣꯝ ꯇꯩꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯂꯛꯄꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯐꯤꯚꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯂꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯍꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ꯫
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯐꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ, ꯂꯤꯁꯥꯡ ꯁꯤꯠꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯂꯣꯝ ꯇꯩꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯔꯨꯠ ꯀꯣꯖꯦꯁ ꯊꯤꯗꯕ, ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯔꯨꯜꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯦ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯊꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀ, ꯏꯚꯟ ꯁꯤꯛꯀꯤꯝꯒꯨꯝꯕ, ꯃꯦꯘꯥꯂꯌꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ, ꯑꯁꯥꯝ, ꯑꯔꯨꯅꯥꯆꯜ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯠ ꯀꯣꯖꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯤꯔꯛꯇꯦ꯫ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ꯫ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ, ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ, ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯍꯤꯡꯒꯗꯧꯕ, ꯄꯩꯁా ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯕꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯉꯥꯏ ꯋꯥꯠꯇꯦꯕ, ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯕ꯫ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯍꯧꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ꯫ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤ, ꯄꯩꯁా ꯇꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯤ, ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯕ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯂꯣꯝ ꯇꯩꯕ ꯇꯣꯛꯁꯤ꯫
ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯈꯔꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯌꯨꯊ ꯑꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯔꯤꯔꯟꯖꯟ ꯔꯥꯎꯕꯨ ꯁꯥꯏ NERC ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯇꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯏ NERCꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯟ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ, ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ, ꯀꯣꯆꯁꯤꯡ, ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯈꯤ꯫ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁꯥꯏ NERC ꯇꯥꯒꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ 30 ꯕꯦꯗꯦꯗ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯈꯤꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯔꯤꯔꯟꯖꯟ ꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤ꯫ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯍꯔꯤꯔꯟꯖꯟ ꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯗ ꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯤ꯫ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ, ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯔꯥꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯆꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫
Manipur, people from Manipur should be really proud and happy that the only university of Government of India on sports, National Sports University, is being functioning from Manipur. And yesterday I also visited the new campus that is under construction. Hopefully this year we should be able to shift the NSU into new campus. And I was pleased to see the quality of work, and it's going to be one of the best campuses in the country. So that is a tribute to the people of Manipur and the athletes of Manipur. As compared to many other states, ratio of athletes' performance in terms of national medals and overall contribution, Manipur ranks much higher than many other states. I am very proud of it.
Every great future begins with the right start. At JJ School Montessori, we discover talents, nurture dreams, and shape the future of your child. Here, learning isn't just in books, it's in creativity, sports, real-world skills, and values that last a lifetime.
Matamgi nungsit nungsa amadi ayinga sana maram moiraga lok tungba amadi khubana singba tatana thohalli pumna maksibu khudak ta phanba ngamlaba Capidon cup syrup 100% herbal product ni lok khubada natana nakmahi chelaba amadi khangnaw mareng chatlaga lok kangkhu khuraba Capidon cup syrup thakpiu Capidon cup syrup
Dada
Yeme maki gano azabutamo Sige yung say, next time, tinacheksin na laksilaga tamgo ba nine?
Dadarang se, juhar habaga am takidarbo.
Asum na, mayam na machalbog na option lugum. Basige yung masibu, aso yung ang poka da batagi. Next time, tinacheli. Next time, juhar habaga yung laptop na nabasim ba ni? Zarman technology siya na na concrete katok na tinaba matanda. Kapamil ang magpihena hinggal adli. Next TMT, strength is in the quick.
Honglagli ba pun sige lambi sida aray ba chaba yaba makai sasinari. Aduna hidak langthak kayama sadaba yarakte sasil liba singduna adomgi liver da kayam sokhalli khangbibra liver nabu soklaba chaning thakning ba phawdaba puk nungai taba khong hamba nungai raktaba amadi kuchu kumen senghallakti khuding maksibu ngakthok ke hairabadi Jolip 100% natural syrup amadi capsule
Jolip 100% natural syrup and capsule
Free Gynecology Camp January tha asi Cervical Cancer Awareness Month tabaga iroinana Siza Urban OPD Kaisampatna lakadoriba January tang 12 dagi 13 phawba ayuk pung 8 dagi ama phawba Free Gynecology Camp pangthokjagadauri Free Gynecology Consultation Free Ultrasound Screening loinana Investigations and Procedures singda 10% concession su pizagadauri akupa marol ki damak pizariba number asida pau phawbiro
Break matungda mayambu taram oksari hauzik makhataba pau pizari Lagliba January 19 da Chingmairong da laiba Classic Grandegi Imperial Hall da pangthokadauriba Rubaru Mr. Manipur 2026 kamari leneda Grand Finale asigi organizer amasung participants singna saruk yaduna lunan bada yumfam oiduna sit sengbagi tharum ama Kangla Western Gate ta pangthokre sit sengba aduda lambi da taramba amot akai kya khomgatuna mafam chana thamki Sit sengba aduga mari lenena organizer singna hiram khudingmakta lunan ba haibasu yamna maruoi January 19 da pangthokadauriba Rubaru Mr. Manipur gi Grand Finale asiga mari lenena miyamda lunan na laishi haiba paujel piduna sit sengba gi thabak asi pangthokpani haiki
Luna Nana Imphal City se thamnabidamakta akhoi contestants ko tawjabane aduga akhoi Rubaru haise India ko ina khwai jawba pageant haidare aduni adu akhoi Imphal da pujaraga Imphal ki audition tawra matungda contest se Imphal da sinna tawjabane
Cleanliness and civic responsibility. So we are organizing an event and it's going to be held on 18th at Classic Grande. So this event is called Rubaru Mr. Manipur 2026. The reason behind this event is the winner of this event will represent our state, Manipur, at national level, Rubaru Mr. India. So as we are organizing such an event, we wanted to give back to the people as well by doing little what we can. So we are sharing this message to everyone. Let us keep our environment clean and let us promote civic responsibility.
India government na Manipur gi issue asi lumna laudabadagi tangdu laitaba purakpa ngamdabani haina fungyar AC gi MLA Leisio Kaising na haikre. Hauzik Fobig oina ISTV na pizaba Manipur pau matang sa loishin zare mining tabriba kwai pumna magpu kurum sari.